Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to solve the inverse trigonometric functions. But please subscribe and also like the video. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, to solve this first question, we are going to use a formula d dx of sine -1 of u is equals to 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared times du dx. So now u is equals to 3x, and the derivative of u du dx is equals to 3. So this will be equals to 1 over 1 minus 3x squared times 3. So automatically this will be equals to 1. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, so we can simply write 3 here. So this will be 3 over the square root of 1 minus 9x squared. So this is the answer to the first question, and I hope it makes some sense. Alright, question 2. So we are going to start with the formula, which is d dx cos -1 of u is equals to -1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared times du dx. So now let's identify our u. U is equals to cos x, and the derivative of cos x, which is du dx, will be equals to negative sine x. So right now we need to plug this into the formula. Remember that u is cos x, so we need to plug it over here, and du dx is negative sine x, so we are going to plug this over here. So this will be equals to -1 over the square root of 1 minus cos x squared times negative sine x. So now this is a negative sign over here, this is another negative sign. If you multiply these two negative, it gives us positive, and also sine x times 1 gives us sine x. So this will be equals to sine x over 1 minus cos x squared is simply cos squared x, cos squared x. So remember to put this in the square root. So this is the answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Alright, for question 3, we start with the formula, which is d dx tan -1 u is equals to 1 over 1 plus u squared du dx. So u is equals to x cubed, and if we take the derivative of u du dx, this will be equals to 3x squared. So now we can take the derivative of y with respect to x, and that will simply be 1 over 1 plus x cubed squared, and then times du is already this, so all we have to du dx is this, so we just need to transfer it here. So 3x squared. So this will be equals to 1 over 1 plus excuse me. So x cubed in bracket squared would give us x to the 6th power times 3x squared. So this will be equals to 3x squared over 1 plus x to the 6th power. So this is the answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. Alright, so if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also share the link with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.